It does not appear to be a lucky day for former President Donald Trump. A judge set a March trial date in his federal election interference case, and he is definitely not happy about the timing. Fox 5's Robert Moses here to explain what's going on. Good morning, Robert.
Dan, good morning to you. Former President Donald Trump claims the trial date is yet another example of election interference, since he says it will hamper his ability to campaign right at the height of campaign season. But the judge was unmoved and said the wheels of justice keep turning regardless. March 4th. That is the day Judge Tanya Chutkan set for former President Donald Trump's federal election interference trial to begin in Washington. It's one day before Super Tuesday, when 15 states hold Republican primaries or caucuses, 3 weeks before his scheduled March 25th trial in Manhattan on charges that he concealed hush money payments to porn star Stormy Daniels, and 11 weeks before his May 20th trial focused on his alleged mishandling of classified documents. Mr. Trump, like any defendant, will have to make the trial date work regardless of his schedule, Judge Chutkan said. The setting of March 4th as the trial date is a win for special counsel Jack Smith and a blow to former President Trump, who wanted it put off until April of 2026. In a post on Truth Social, he vowed to appeal, though legal experts say it's not clear on what grounds. No trial date has been set yet for the 19 defendants charged in Fulton County, Georgia, for conspiring to overturn that state's election result. One of those charged, former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, testified in an Atlanta courtroom yesterday trying to get the case moved to federal court. His attorneys argue that he took the actions that prosecutors call improper as part of his duties as a federal official. Meadows participated in this now infamous phone call on January 2nd, 2021, between then-President Trump and Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger.
I just want to find 11,780 votes.
Raffensperger also testified yesterday. He called outreach like this from the White House, quote, extraordinary. Moving the Georgia case to federal court would broaden the jury pool beyond Fulton County into areas that are friendlier to former President Trump. As he testified, Meadows said he couldn't remember particulars of many events from late 2020 and early 2021. My wife will tell you sometimes that I forget to take out the trash, Meadows said. For now, the case of Meadows and the 18 other defendants continues in state court. All 19, including the former president, are scheduled to be arraigned on September 6th, 1 week from tomorrow. Some of the arraignments may not be in person. And we told you that the former president's trial here in Manhattan is set to begin just 3 weeks after his election interference trial in Washington. A court spokesman here in New York confirmed that Judge Chutkan and Judge Juan Merchan, who's presiding over the trial here, spoke on Thursday. Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg has already signaled a willingness to have the trial date here moved. Dan, back to you.
Okay, Robert, thank you.